if I don't tell you, if you're driving this car, where's your first exit? Second, third, and
Fourth.
you're going to be doing a lot of fourth. Now, if you're driving from here, and if I want you to take the first exit, examiners can say to you, next roundabout, take the first exit on your left. Pretty clear, correct?
Yeah.
That's one way of saying. Or what if I say to you, next roundabout, turn left, please? Which exit would that be?
That one.
And which exit number is that?
1.
But this time, did I specify which number of exit? No. Can you see? This is why it's very important to understand what the examiners are telling you. Now, if you're coming from here, and if I want you to go straight ahead, second exit, I could, if I want to, as examiner, say to you, roundabout coming up, I would like you to follow the road ahead, please, second exit. That's one way of helping you. Or examiners will tell you before your test start that if I give you no instructions, you follow the road ahead unless the road signs and markings tell you. Because the road marking telling us to go straight ahead using which lane?
Yeah, the left.
But if you're coming here and the examiner said nothing to you, so where you think you're going? First, second, third, or fourth? What do you think?
Second.
Second. But did examiner say to you nothing at all? They kept quiet. If examiner wants you to go to the right, third exit, the correct way, which I think the examiner should say, next roundabout, I would like you to take the third exit on your right, please.
Yeah.
Or go around the roundabout, take the third exit on your right. That's one way of saying, which is much more clear. However, if you're coming here, what if I just say to you, next roundabout, turn right, please?
It could be either.
No, so this is, because this, your right is where?
Oh, yeah.
That one. If you're going around the roundabout, then examiner need to be very, very clear and specify. Go around the roundabout, take the fourth exit or the fifth exit, depending on whichever exit you're taking. But at this, according to picture, this is your right. So it means which exit are you taking?
The third.
Third. Now, yes, if you do have got two other exits here, which we don't, luckily, but there are so many test centers that maybe their first is there, second is there, third is there ahead. So examiners again might specify to take the second exit on your left, please. But we don't really have exit like that. You might have got 1 and 2 on your right side.
Yeah.
Then examiner will have to specify which exit though. But if it's just very simple 4 exit like this, right means you're going right third exit. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
But if I want you to go around the roundabout, which we're going to do in a minute, I will say to you, next roundabout, go around the roundabout fourth exit. Now, if you're going round the roundabout fourth exit, you're keeping your car when you're approaching to where?
Right.
And what else you need to be doing?
Going positioning to the right.
And what is MS mean?
Signal.
Mirrors and signal. So you're keeping to the right on the first exit, inner side. You're keeping there on the second. Now we're taking which one? Fourth.
Yeah.
And you're keeping it here up until 3. But once you pass this island on the 3, what would you do here?
Move to the left.
But what do we, so if you move to the left,
Mirrors and signal.
which mirrors?
That one and that one.
And which signal? Down. Why you think is very important that you do
I
your...
think you're going around again.
Okay, that's one thing, but why are the mirrors and signal very important before you change your position?
You can see.
That's one thing you can see.
And let other people know what you're doing.
Yeah, so by checking the mirrors, you can see what's behind you.
Yeah.
Because as we said, what if any cyclists, motorcyclists were coming. What about signaling? So how would the signal benefit them? So they will,
Know what direction.
and then you can position safely. So if you just gonna change your direction without doing your mirrors and signal, you're taking a lot of risk. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Next roundabout, we're going around the roundabout, fourth exit to your right. So check your center and the right mirror, signal up, positioning, slow approach, as you always start looking early. Anyone coming?
Yeah.
Anybody else?
No.
Keep going. Now because we're taking the fourth exit, keeping your car to the right and count the exit number.
1,
Keep it to the right. Good. Keep going like this.
2.
Bit more speed. This is number 2. We're taking the fourth exit, means on the third, once you pass this, check your center and the left mirror, signal down and positioning near to the left curb. That's it. Check your mirrors now and build up your speed. Do you understand?
Yeah.